Welcome to a CapCut tutorial on how to change your password. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, that I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is I looked on the computer version and I can't really find it on there. Like I really tried to show you guys in both ways, but the only way that I could find is on mobile. I'm currently on the iPhone 17, so your version of CapCut might look a little bit different, but it should be somewhat the same steps. What you're going to want to do is head over to the top right corner, click on the little cogwheel icon, and then from here, you'll have a couple different things that you could do. You can press on the manage account section and then go ahead and set a password or change it. I haven't set a password yet, so I have to set an email and then verify it and then go ahead and set the password, and then you could go ahead and change it from here as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, though, it's been a CapCut tutorial. Thank you.